Yo, what's good? What's good? Hope y'all had a great week in the markets. I know I sure did. We're gonna be checking out, looking out the setups that I presented last week. We're gonna go over those, and we're gonna get right to the analysis. I'm finished getting my pages open, get my trading view up, and jump right into that analysis. We're gonna do a little bit different. I'm not gonna start off with Forex Factory. I already done got that. I'll figure it out. Next week's kind of the news isn't so. I mean, we got big news coming out next week, but I already got all that handled, so I could just jump right into today. Not worry about going and finding what pairs I want to trade. I already got all that figured out. But we're about to get started. This beat kind of fast. I'm not gonna lie, I almost changed it. Well, all that. Yo, I like that. Mm. All right. Like I said, I hope y'all had a great week in the markets. I hope y'all stuck to y'all's plans. Did what you were supposed to do. Didn't get caught up in any FOMO. Stuck to your gut. Seeing your trades through. I know that's a big issue with people, that they don't know how to see their trades through. I know that was a big issue for me. You know what I'm saying? Confidence in what you set up. Let me turn that music down a little bit so we can get right into it. I like that beat. That beat was pretty dope. Turn that down just a little bit. I think that should be good. I guess I should do a sound test, man. I'll be alright. I'm ready to get straight into this. Alright, so our pairs from last week. Pretty much, we're gonna trade those same pairs again this week. But I do want to go over and talk about the trades that I set up last week. When you're a swing trader, patience. I mean, even being a scalper, patience is it's your biggest virtue. Patience and confidence in your plan. Patience, confidence in a plan. Have your plan, be consistent with following that plan. If you don't follow your rules, doesn't work. I know y'all probably hear that all the time, but that's just what it is. That, like, those three elements right there, they really help you with your trading. But anyway, all right. So AUD USD, simple. I keep my, those of you who don't know, price action analysis, straight price action. You'll see me set up support and resistance, but that's about it. I rarely ever use my EMAs. It just depends. But you'll hardly ever catch me with those. But yeah, we just straight candle action. That's it. Look for support and resistance. Look what candles they giving us. I don't even really, I mean, I look for patterns, but they ain't the end all be all, cause I don't know. But anyway, let's get to it. All right, AUD USD. We had a nice sell. Patience. Like, I know some people, scalpers and stuff, they try to get in right here. They think that this is it created a lower high, but nah, not really, homie. I just said because actually one of my friends got in somewhere around there, trying to get in for the sale, and I was like, man, you don't want to get in these middle areas. Whenever you set up support and resistance, it's like I have here. I have my support and resistance. I have my resistance at 73,105 and my support at 72,182. To be honest, I don't even really look at numbers. I don't give a shit about the numbers. The more you reduce, sorry, I gotta say this. The more you reduce in your trading, and I mean like keep it super simple. That's what I mean. But like taking all the noise out, the simpler it gets, because it's not that hard once you realize that you don't need any of that stuff. But anyway, back to the point. When you have your support resistance, getting in these middle areas is detrimental. Like that's la la land. That's what I call la la land. You getting in la la land, 9 times out of 10 you gonna get juked out. You know what I'm saying? It's just like, you know, when you playing basketball, you think somebody, you know, let's say you on defense, you know what I'm saying, they start heading straight up the middle. You don't know which way they going. You gotta wait till they make a move. So waiting patiently till they get to the area where you know that they possibly can make a move. That's what you do. You watch and you wait and you watch them. And you let your intuition guide you as well. Listen to your gut. 9 times out of 10, your gut is telling you, hey, this trade is bomb. Go on and get in. But people be scared to trust themselves. But anyway, so yeah, I caught a few pips on this trade. I did close out right there at 90 pips. As soon as they hit that, I'm real big about following. Like most people be like, man, but you left. People will say that I left money on the table. I will never say that I left money on the table because this is my plan and my plan works. So I went ahead and exited, caught a little 90 pips. I only risked 15, so that risk to reward was immaculate. But yeah, as soon as I got out, but this is why, you know what I'm saying, you get out at support. You know what I'm saying? If you went for a sale, get out at support. Wherever your support is, don't worry about leaving money on the table. Like fucking 90, 100 pips, like that's a big. That's a lot of pips to be catching, especially over a period of like 2 days. So you want to stick to that. Alright guys, give me 1 second. I will be, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back, man. My apologies, my deepest apologies. It's like always something sudden. I mean, unexpected happens whenever I go live. Never fucking fails. What's wrong, mama? Come here. Come. You alright? What you wanted? You got food? You got water? Yeah. I love my dog. Anyway, alright, back to business. Back to business. Alright. We're talking about AUD, USD. That's right. Alright. Oh, I was talking about like not leaving money on the table and all that, yada yada. But anyway, on to Euro USD. Another trade. Set an alert, boom. But I did hop right out. Once it hit resistance, I only caught the. I think because I wasn't paying attention and it dipped a little bit lower. I think I caught like 80 pips or some shit like that. I had to go and check my forex.com account. But yeah, got out right there, somewhere around there. Might have been 75, something like that. But anyway, yeah, but still, I'm only risking like minimal. I only risk 15 pips on this. You know what I'm saying? 15 pips for 70. The risk to reward. I try to tell people that all the time. Risk to reward and control, and not risking your whole damn account. People be trying to make money too quick, and they worried about the money instead of learning the craft. Learn the craft first, and then proceed with looking for the money from it. Shit don't happen overnight. But yup, downtrend daily. I keep it super simple. Hit my alert, boom, I was in. GBP USD, same thing. I didn't write it down, but same thing. Just waited for it to get to here. Never got here, so I never hopped in the trade. I don't get in the. I don't care. Like I don't get in the middle. If it's in the middle, I'm not fucking with it. Because like I said, you can get juked out at any moment. So if it ain't at my area of value, I'm not fucking with it. Now what I will do is I'm gonna look for a sale somewhere back in these areas. In this area, I'll look for a sale right there. Will it work? I don't know. I'm just following my plan. Is my plan 100 proof? Do I lose? Yes. Do I not complete trades? Whatever. Lose the trade? Whatever. Actually, I don't like using the word lose because I don't win or lose trades. I just the trading forces around me played in my favor. I took an educated guess, and it happened to be a good educated guess. Sometimes it just doesn't work in my favor. I think that's another thing that people are hard on themselves about when they're day trading. They get so caught up in wins and losses, and wins and losses don't matter. It's the overall picture, your percentage, your profit loss percentage. You know what I'm saying? How much, like, cause you can go on a losing streak. You know what I'm saying? And then the next 2 or 3 trades, pay for all of those losses, and grew your account. If you got risk reward intact, you know what you're doing. Like, it's not that hard. And you start to understand that wins and losses, then yes, they do impact. If you're not winning at all, if you're not getting any trades that are successful, then you need to go back to the drawing board and see what you, because it is possible. I mean, people play professional poker and live off that, and this is gambling just like that. But they create a plan. Do they always win? Do they always get the hand that they want? No, they don't. So you gotta be, you know what I'm saying, be aware of that you're not gonna win every trade, and sometimes you're gonna lose a whole lot of them. That's what most people are saying. But I either say succeed or it didn't. It either worked or it didn't work. The trade worked or it didn't work. Period. All right. GBP JPY. Oh, it's not. My bad. Now with GBP JPY, I just stayed away from it. As you can see, patience with this entry. Wait to see if it breaks or holds the area of value. I just kind of chilled at it. When it went above there, I was like, I'm not really messing with it. And I just left it alone. simply because it started closing above, and I was like, 4 hour, I don't know. So I just left it alone. It's better to, if you're not sure and you don't have that like this trade is gonna be then stay away from it. And if it does end up playing out in your favor, then whatever, it is what it is. You didn't lose any money. You were confident in yourself, and you listened to yourself, and listening to yourself is first. USD JPY. Right. I've been in this trade for a long time. I don't know why I don't want to let this one go, just being honest. I feel like it's about to take off. I mean, I could be wrong. If it does break below here, if it breaks below this area right here, if it breaks back down below resistance, then I'm gonna go ahead and head out. But sheesh, I'm up like 200 pips already, baby. You know, cause we back down here. But stop, stupid computer. You know what I'm saying? I'm up there. I should have took profit up there. Not gonna lie. But I'm thinking it's gonna make a double top up here. At least a double top. If it makes it way back up here, then I'm gonna go ahead and take profit up here at this area in this USDJPY. Go ahead and take profit in that area. But I've been real patient with this trade, holding it. Just cause I see it, I'm like, let's go. So, and this big Mariposa right there, that little bit of wick, I was like, that gave me a lot of confidence to hold the trade, and that's why I held it. And when these candles didn't close below, I was like, all right, cool, I'm gonna stick with that. And USD CAD. USD CAD, I ended up like taking profit like somewhere around here or something. When it made this lower high there, I was like, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna go back to my entry, and I had my trailing stop loss going on anyway, so it ended up stopping me out. Not really stopping me out, closed me out in profit, but I think I only made like 50 pips on it or some shit like that. Nah, it was a little bit. It was about 50-60 pips. I know it wasn't that much. So I got stopped out pretty close. Yeah, I think it was somewhere around there. So yeah, because I got stopped out on this one. That's when I got stopped out. But anyway, so that was, what's this? No. Couldn't paste, read permissions. What the fuck? I'm not trying to paste anything. Anyway, so yeah, that was USD CAD. Oh yeah, this past week was pretty profitable for me. I had a great week. This next week's gonna be the exact same thing. You will continuously have profitable weeks and whatnot if you stick to your plans. All right, let's get ready for the week. It's enough reviewing. And y'all know how I get down already. If y'all been watching the last 2 streams, y'all know. Oh no, I was not trying to do that. I didn't realize I had that. Alright, let's start from the top. Make our way to the bottom. Start out fresh. We got a new month, so I am gonna glance at this month coming in, how the last month closed out for AUD USD. Excuse me. Yeah. Sorry. Last month closed out a little bearish. See how the week closed. Yeah, definitely close out bearish. Thought I was tripping for a second. But hold up. Is my mic on? Okay, but I'll be fucking up. All right, for the weekly, we may get like a little. Especially if we drop some. Put this support right here. Yeah, we could see a little second tap. That's why it closed a little bearish last month. Probably making its way back down here so that it can take off. And also, I mean, USD was just. Alright, let's check out the daily. Alright, bet. My apologies. Alright, 80 USD, like I said. Looking at the daily. We do have this push. I mean, it may not. Let's see. Where our support and resistance at? For the daily. What we looking at? I would say probably, yeah, that's a good little spot right there. Ooh. I don't like that. Yeah, that point. Yeah, that's that's a way better spot for. Okay, I like that. So yeah, I mean basically, yeah, that's pretty much confirming. If we set my support right there, right here at 72 320. I know I gotta say numbers for you guys if y'all are looking. But anyway, so we put support at 72 320. Basically confirming what I just said about the monthly and the weekly. I mean, look at it. Unless it resists right here. Unless we run into some resistance right here. Like I said, we may go ahead and come right back down to this area, resist right there, and head back down to here, and then take off up. That'll create a double bottom. But that's just he say, she say. What I should say. We don't know what's gonna happen. But anyway, alright, let's break it down to the 4 hour and see what's good. Let's get our 4 hour resistance on, which of course is going to be right here. So we got our 4 hour resistance right there. I like to test my levels. Yeah, I like that. So basically, let's see how many pips we could catch. Looking at an 80 pip catch if we take a sell from this position. Take that sell. I don't know why I always want to spell sell like that. Goddamn English language. Why we gotta have two sales? Sell and sell. It's on sale and we sell. That shit dumb. Damn. It's an English language. Tardy with the words. Anyway. Alright, so looking for, let's see, downtrend. And we will be going with the trend, so downtrend, sell at, hey, go, no ma'am. My dog. My dog's trying to attack the fucking window. I'll say completely sell. I'll say looking for a sale at. Oh shit. For our resistance. Let's go ahead and name this. Alright, bet. So then everybody can see that in 4 hours. Yay. Why is it that my songs ain't playing into the next song? No clue. Alright. Excuse me. Looking to risk about 15 pips. I mean, like, how you risking 15 pips? Swing trading. Because I follow my plan. The point is to risk the smallest amount possible for the greatest amount possible. Return. Does this always work? No, it does not always work. Do I get stopped out? Yes, I get stopped out. But anyway. So yeah, let's see what's gonna go down from here. Now, I am going to set an alert here. So I'm not gonna just hop right into the trade. I'm gonna set an alert instead of a limit order, so I can see what's going on before I just hop into the trade. Open chart, sell, op, approaching, and that's it. Boom, create. We got the alert created. Boom, we got our setups. We already know how much we risking, what we looking for. If y'all want to know what that risk reward is, it's a good like 1 to 5, 1 to 6, or some shit like that. Ah, oh, my bad. 1 to 8. Oh wait, hold up. What I say? 1 to 7, something like that. Yeah. So that's what we're looking at. Alright, we got this one ready to go. Let's get it. Alright, Euro USD. Let's check out the monthly for Euro USD. Let's see how the month closed, which I already knew. Man, USD was wrecking last week, man. Alright. Ooh, we getting to. Huh. Why is there? Maybe I'm tripping, but I swear I never noticed the timer when the markets are closed. Alright, whatever. Alright, so the weekly we closed bearish for sure. That 3-day looking like. Boop, boop. Sometimes I look at the 3-day. I like the way the 3-day like looking. Look at that. You see that? See some significant areas. Daily. Alright, so we got our daily support in place. I need to put that in my description too. That I'm a swing trader. So people don't be looking for scalping shit. Alright. So we got our daily support. Let's look for our 4-hour resistance. And we do have a downtrend. So we got this little area right here that we possibly could, but I mean, because we had this impulse move like with USD last week. So like USD been wilding. So we'll see. This could be a excuse me, I don't know why all of a sudden I'm yawning. We could reject right here, which is kind of looking like, and head back down. But if we do break above, which I kind of feel like we gonna close this impulse move, come back up here, and then shoot down. I mean, those are like the two things that could happen right now. Or it could just go up. I mean, you could look for a buy right here. You're looking to catch about 80 pips, but your stop loss is atrocious. Disgusting. You ain't making shit. Look at that. You'd have to have your stop loss way down. This is why I don't trade against the trend too. Like, it makes your stop losses shitty. I like to trade with the trade with the trend. Alright, so what I am gonna do is I'm going to be monitoring this trade. So I need to well, I'm gonna be monitoring this pair. I'm not in the trade yet, sorry. I'm gonna be monitoring this pair, Euro USD, to see what goes on Sunday. So when the markets open up, I'm gonna go ahead and check them out and see. Yeah, now the timer's gone. What the hell? That's why I thought I was tripping a while ago. I was like, I ain't never seen the timer going on the weekend, but it was just going. I know I'm not tripping. But yeah, anyway. So, and I am going to put an alert right here. Don't click. Put this alert right here. Once per minute. Look for your sell. The approaching. And voila. Let me go on and set my shit up. Look at that. Let me go on and push it to 20 pips on this one. So yeah, we gonna risk 20 pips. What's the grab looking like though? But to be honest, I'm looking to hold this one because if USD does keep climbing next week and this keeps falling, it does go up here and it decides to fall. I am going to be looking. I'm probably will be taking profit somewhere around here. I just wait past this one. Oh, excuse me. But we'll see. That's why we just gonna monitor this one and see how it goes. We still got a 1 to 3, pretty much. So we can see it for sure. Yeah, 1 to 3, just like I said. But I am looking for a sell. I know I'm so patient, but it. Goddamn English language. Alright, we set up for Euro USD. Let's GBP USD. Like I said, I'm not gonna set this up because I mean this setup is immaculate. But let's go ahead and pop up to the monthly. Let's see what's going on with the monthly. Okay, let me go on. Alright, so we got the monthly here. We we did just create this double top right here. So looking at that, with the downtrend, we probably are going to see some lower numbers on GBP USD. That's looking at the monthly, just the monthly price action, and we got a lot of wick there. So we definitely closed bearish last month for GBP USD. Let's check out the weekly. See what's going on with the weekly. See, I keep seeing these timers. Anyway. Alright, let's see our weekly. Of course, it's bears. Alright, we got our daily. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this up here, so I don't need all that extra bullshit on my chart. Alright, so looking at the daily. Ooh, we're definitely looking at that. Hell yeah, we're looking like a downtrend, like a mob. Cause I mean, last year, GBP was, that motherfucker was just shooting up, man. So I guess it's about time for it to fall a little bit, huh? Look, I day trading last year. Look at that, June 2020. Like I was like, man, I was just in nothing but buys. So I guess GBP JPY said it's tired. They gotta take a break. It's exhausted. So we had the ascension, we had the accumulation, and now we have the descension phase. If you don't know what that means, then I'm sorry. Go look it up. No, I'm just kidding. Ascension, accumulation, and then descending. Basically, it's just the way the market moves. Ascension is uptrend. Accumulation is when it starts getting noisy like this. When it starts going sideways and going in between. Basically, consolidation. Basically, that's order collecting. It's collecting all the orders, get revving up to make its move. Whether it's gonna go up or down depends on the flow of the market. Depends what all orders is going on. So yeah, learn those stages. Like those are the three stages: accumulation, ascension, and descending. Ascending and descending and accumulation. There we go. Sorry. Anyway, all right. So let's pop our daily. Sorry, I just thought about something that was kind of funny. Alright, so we got our daily. Now let's get our 4-hour business going. So we have this area right there. Flowed under, came and broke back above. Could be going back up here. Like I said, these impulse moves from this week could be going back up to those. I'm not gonna trade against the trend. Like I said, it's been heading down. It's accumulation so far. Looks like it's tilting. So I'm going to wait and stay patient, and I'm going to go ahead and set an alert for my daily resistance. Go ahead and get that. Sell. Up. Approaching. Alright, so I got my little alert there, as you can see right there. Alright, let's go on and get it set up. See what we looking to risk is. Ew. Oh no, baby. Oh no. I'm not risking no 50 pips. Mm-mm. I mean, I guess. 50 for how many? Mm, I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Like this trade's a little like the GBP pairs right now. Like they're a little bit, cause I'm seeing that downtrend. But man, I just can't see myself risking 50 pips, man. Oh yeah, I just can't see myself risking 50 pips. And I'm not gonna lie. Like a lot of times, I'm not gonna say I miss out on trades, but like when it come to risk, like it's just a lot of pips, man. I just don't like. I don't like risking that much because risking 50 pips. I mean, what if it it's my risk to reward. Like I love keeping my risk to reward intact, and I just feel like 50 pips is a lot because then I'm looking. If I'm risking 50 pips, man, I off rip I gotta pull 150 pips to for my risk to reward to be intact. So let's put it at 50 pips. All right. So we got it's a 1 to 3 right there. I mean, it's cool. We got the 1 to 3, but man, 50 pips is a lot. If you are risking, when you start risking more pips, your lot size needs to shrink. Your lot size should not stay. You should not just be using one specific lot size. If you're using one specific lot size, you got risk fucked up. And I mean that in the nicest way, but you got risk fucked up. Um, your lot size should always vary. It should always be different. And the reason if you're risking different pip amounts, and also different pairs, you know what I'm saying? Your lot size, you shouldn't just be like, all right, I'm just gonna risk a standard lot size every time, or a micro lot size, or whatever, mini lot size, whatever. Don't do that. Like you need to be like, there's apps out there. Like I use Stinu, man. Tells me what lot size real quick. Stinu is great for that. But yeah, like you don't want to be using the same lot size. If you are, like I said, if you're using the same lot size, you got risk fucked up. So with this 50 pips, I'm going to have to use a smaller lot size, and that's okay, because we're looking to catch some mad pips. But once we close it in and we're not really losing. I mean, once we at least breaking even, we're not going to be losing any profit. Then what I'll do is I'll probably go ahead and I'll dial in. And what dialing in, what that means is that I'm going to add more lots to the trade as I go. As it moves in my favor. If it's moving in my favor, then of course I'm going to add to a winning trade. But I'm not going to add to a losing trade. So start off with a small amount, the smaller lot size. Once you get that smaller lot size and you figure that out, then look to add more to it. Once the trade is a profitable trade, don't add to no loser. You know what I'm saying? If you looking to get in right here like I am, it's ugly, but if you're looking to get in this area right here, you know what I'm saying? Let's say it comes up here, starts trickling down, and it comes down here, and it comes back up here. Don't take no other position right there. Don't take no other position right there. That could be a higher low, and then it's going or it may come up there to that little area right there, stop you out, and then head back down, and then you sitting there like fuck, because now you just lost two. I don't add to my trade until it is a profitable trade and it's away from my position and my stop loss is trailing and it's looking good. Otherwise, I'm not adding to the trade because you don't know what's going to happen. Only add to your winners and cut them losses quick. But be careful when cutting your losses and don't cut yourself off. Let your trades play out. Stick to your plan. All right. GBP USD, we going for it. We risking 100 pips. Fuck it. We doing it. Just gonna get the context. Sell. Let's see. Down. Trend. Sell at resistance. this one as well. Daily for you guys. I use that color coordinate. Once y'all get to know me a little bit better, y'all gonna, and y'all see how I trade, how I set up my chart. Y'all gonna see I only use, I may change it up, but for the most part, I'm just using black and yellow levels. My black levels is always gonna be my daily, and my yellow level is always gonna be my 4-hour level. I kind of like that black, but I'm gonna leave it red so it stands out more. All right, so we got our daily. Let's get it. We got alert set up. GBP USD is ready to go. All right, GBP JPY. I'm digging these beats, man. All right, let's get our chart clear. Move the drawings from last week. Let's check out the monthly. Monthly, we got a doji right there. What? Side what? Side what? Okay. With the weekly. Definitely are seeing some significant support in this area right here. I wonder if it's gonna coordinate with GBP USD. Anyway, alright, let's break it down to the daily. Let's see what's popping with the daily. Alright, so yeah, we have this definitely accumulation period, or ranging area. So we're gonna drop that right about here. Yes, sir. If you ever want to test your level, if there's ever, like, if you doubt where you are, all you have to do is look to the left, homie. Like, day trading is that simple because the markets are art and they move the exact same way over and over and over and over. They go back to the same levels over and over and over again. So when I want to test the level out, that's what I do. So this is definitely an area of support. Definitely an area of support. So it's been an overall uptrend, but I am believing that it's starting to tilt sideways. And we got, if we look into it, we got a descending triangle right into resistance. And I can get with the shits if y'all want me to get with the shits. So we got a descending triangle right into support, which is usually a sign. Hey, it's going on tumble down. Alright, so we got GBPJPY. Downtrend for the most part, but overall uptrend. So let's get this 4-hour. See where our 4-hour levels are at. Okay. I ain't got no choice but to label. Okay, so we looking at this area. Since it just bounced off that area and that area. Alright, so now we have our area where price is bouncing in between. If it happens to come back up, which I don't know. But anyway, so I'm going to hold strong and look for a sell at this position. What are we looking at? 25 pips? Yeah, we can run 25. I'm cool with 25. So we're looking at 25 pips. 25 pips to catch. Ooh, wee, baby. And probably more than that. So, that'll be wild. But, ooh, we got to watch out for that. I was not paying attention on that. I normally won't put all this on my chart, But I am definitely going to drop this area, put that area on. Because we most definitely, I mean, since we're leaving, because look, we're leaving we're leaving support. When you're leaving support, you're 9 times out of 10 going to resistance. But we do have these 2 areas that are resistance on the 4 hour. So if this trade doesn't work out and it comes up here, I'm definitely looking to get in up here. Definitely looking to get in up here. We got 15 pip stop loss right there too. Cool. Sorry, that beat is kind of taking over. Alright, so we got GBP, JPY. Looking for a sale. Let me go ahead and type it in. Let me set up my alerts. So I'm going to set an alert right here. Actually, I don't think I'm going to set up any limit orders today. I know I put that in the description, but I think I'm only going to monitor this week. And I'm going to, look for my alerts to get me in there. Alright, once per minute. And there's like nothing but sale opportunities. We about to get to USD JPY and USD CAD and see what's popping with those. Those are definitely an uptrend, so we gonna see. But anyway, sell op approaching. All right. Man, hey, this is definitely new from Harris. 100 Thieves. Oh, hype tracks. No wonder. Hey. All right, we got GBP going. Let's hop to USD. The USD pairs that we're trading. Alright, let's pull that monthly up. Clear our chart. What the fuck? This only goes back. March 06. Now let's go to the Forex charts. Into it. Alright, so monthly, of course, we all know. Well, at least last week. Not monthly, sorry. I'm going ahead of myself. Alright, so the monthly close is like a doji right there. And it's like really tight right there. Wait to look at this. I learned this from. Who did I learn it from? Rainer, I believe. Yeah. That tightening for the monthly. So we looking to break out of this somewhere for the monthly. Anyway, let's see what the weekly talking about. Overall downtrend. Okay. We definitely have a lot of indecisiveness going on here. Alright, let's get our areas. Alright. This time I'm only gonna set up the I'm not gonna go on and get that. No, I don't even need that down there. That's not even. Alright, so then we got that level right there. Let's test it out. Yup. By the way, I'm testing it out with my cursor. But yeah, good spot. Good 4 hour time frame right there. I mean, not 4 hour. Oh shit, I thought I clicked 4 hour. Damn, that's still the daily. What am I tripping on? Wait. Did I mess up? Okay, I'm not tripping. And let's bust it down to our 4 hour. We actually have a 4 hour area right here. So could be looking for a buy in this area. So we got A, B, C, and D areas right here. And what do I mean by A, B, C, D? If you know, you know. Nah, I ain't gonna do y'all like that. But nah, let's get that Fibonacci popping. I mean, you can see the Fibonacci play out. So we got A, B, C, because we had this push up, and then it finally retreated a little bit right here, or pull back. My apologies, retreated, pull back. Sorry if my lingo ain't up to par. And this is me. Like, I see these markets how I see these markets. I talk how I want to talk. Sometimes my verbiage may not be what others is or whatever, but that's not my issue. Pretty sure you guys follow me. But anyway, so yeah, so if we get the Fibonacci popping, we got A, B, C, and then this D area. D area is the take profit area. So now, since it hit the 61, it blew through the 27, came back to it, blew through it, came back to it, tested it, like, we're gonna take it up, and it hit the 61, and boom, now it's coming back down. So we definitely looking for it to come back down to this area, somewhere in this area. In that area right there. Let me get rid of this Fibonacci. So we definitely we could be looking for a buy situation right here. Maybe I'll take another position right there. Because I'm definitely going to close out this trade. If it starts to dip a little bit lower, just so. I mean, I'm not 100% sure, and I want to take profit because I am in the fucking money all the way. I mean, I am up. I'm like up. I'm up over 100 pips, so I'm going to be smart and take my money. Because don't get me wrong, because it could come down here and take off up. Like if I could be patient and wait, and it could take back up. But, I mean, no, sorry. If it dips below here, I'm going to take my money. I'm going to close out the trade, and then I will look for another setup in this area, this pink box area. This area. So I'll be looking for my sell there. I mean, not my sell, my buy. Uptrend. For buy at support. And that's it. I am going to go ahead and put another, of course, just for a minute. Buy op approaching. Alright, buy up approaching. Cool. This one's good to go. Where we at? We at just over an hour. This is what I try to tell people. All right, we on our last pair, and I'm just sitting up here explaining this to you guys. What I try to tell people all the time is that you shouldn't be in your charts for very long. An hour at the max. Like, you don't need to be in your chart unless you're like scalping, I guess, and you're like whatever. But like if you're like if you're an intraday swing trader, long timer, Like, you should only be spending about an hour at the most in your charts. I guess depending on how many pairs. If you only traded one pair, you should be like, there's not much to look at. Like, the charts ain't gonna change, ain't nothing gonna jump out. Like, if you only traded one pair, which is what most people recommend, I have ADHD, so I trade a whole bunch of pairs at one time. It's not for everybody. I know a lot of people who trade a bunch of pairs, and then you'll hear a lot of people say just focus on one pair and yada yada. I just don't have the fucking patience to just sit there with one pair. I need to be active. Not a lot, but some people will say that that's not a good trait when it comes to day trading. But I know my strengths, and my strengths is hyper focus. I like to be active. I like to look at a whole bunch of different things. And as long as I keep it simple how I do, then I'm good. But I love just looking at my charts, looking at different pairs, seeing how they're moving. Because I get bored easily, and I can't get bored easily, or else I'm going to be fucked. Then I ain't going to want to trade no more. But I doubt it, because this I'm too passionate about it. I love day trading. But really my favorite part is reading the charts. But like I was saying, if you only got one pair, one specific pair that you trading, you shouldn't be analyzing it for hours. Like, it should take you 10 minutes to analyze it. I mean, even breaking down to looking for a scalping trade, it should only take you about 10-15 minutes to like get in there, see what you're looking at. And not even that, to be honest. When you're new, I'll give you 10-15 minutes. But if you've been in this trading game and you're not profitable yet, and you're looking to, one thing I'm gonna tell you, stay out of your damn charts, because when you stay in your charts like that, it makes you start second guessing yourself. So set up your trades. Go with your first. My bad. Let me take it back. First, establish your plan. Whatever your plan is, stick to that. And once you stick to that plan, then like I said, you shouldn't be in your charts no more than like 10-15 minutes. That's it. Especially if you only trade in one pair. That's it. That's all you need. So you get to staring at them charts too long, you get to making stupid mistakes. Stupid mistakes, and you start doing stuff. This is why I set up my kind of like game plan is I look at my charts on Saturday. I prepare. Sunday, I'm looking for like my alerts. If no alerts go off, I'm Gucci. I'm not even pulling up my charts for the most part. But I'll pull up like Euro USD, because that one has a little pink flyer that's letting me know, hey, you need to actually watch this one. Whoa, it's like a bug flew in my nose. The hell? What the fuck? I don't know if it's a gnat or what. Something definitely flew in my nose. Anyway. Yeah. Don't be in your charts for long. Let's reset this chart. I mean, not reset. Remove drawing sign. Alright, so monthly. We've definitely been very, very bullish. I mean, bearish. Sorry. It's fucking, whatever flew in my nose is bothering me. I gotta get some tissue. 1 second, guys. Alright, I'm back. Someone's trying to kill me. I like this beat. Anyway, alright, let's bust down USD cap. Let's go back to that. Man, my ears not happy with me right now. I guess it's kind of a doji, but whatever. Alright, USD CAD. Monthly, weekly. Weekly closed pretty bearish on USD CAD. Ears bothering me, man. guess his bandana's on too tight or something. So I guess the Canadian dollar, USD is pretty fucking weak right now. I guess the week closed like that, but. All right, let's get our levels on. Let's get our daily. Oof. I'm gonna have to reset. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let's go test that area. Yeah, oh yeah, I would definitely say that's the area right there, boy. All right, so we got our daily. So it's currently at the daily resistance, which is pretty much turned into kind of to support right now because we haven't had nothing break below it. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my 4-hour time frames on. Just a second. Ed, what the heck? Guess I'm really sleepy. Alright, so 4-hour. We got our 4-hour area right there. I kind of want to put it like about right there. Microsoft did not find any threats. Cool, appreciate it. It's because malware on my shit. Malware bites. It's the tits. It keeps my computer nice and clean. But anyway, alright. Alright, so we are. This is support, like I said. We may be coming back up to here. And I'm gonna stay patient on this. I don't want to look for a buy just yet, but if I am looking for a buy, I'm looking to get in at the support area. I'm gonna be patient and wait for it. Looking to catch about 130 pips. Oh yeah. How much we risking? What we looking to risk? What we looking to risk? What we looking to risk? Here we go, did bullshit again. To be honest, yes, here we go with this bullshit again. And we looking at like 45. Sheesh, 45 for how many? Oof. I'm just. We got a 1 to 3, but. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop a little purple flag next to that because I'm gonna go ahead and monitor this one. But I am going to set an alert. Look for buy. Alright, so I got my alert set up. Boom. Bada beam. We done. I mean, this next week's looking pretty good. So, we should have another attractive week again. Last week was very attractive. Well, this past week was very attractive. It was a very great week. That profit loss is looking sweet. But, yeah, I hope this helped you guys. I hope it brings some prosperity into your day trading. If you are day trading and you're just kind of trying to keep hitting the wall, I hope I gave you all some information that's helpful. But I'm out. I'm done looking at these charts for the day. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my life. Peace. Mm-mm.